Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover the deleted messages on WhatsApp. So before moving forward, what you have to know is if you have deleted that messages before you took a backup, that is not possible and that cannot be recovered. But if you have been taking backup as in daily routine and then you deleted a message, that is surely recoverable. So for that, select this three dot icon and go for settings. In here, select chats. You will see chat backup, open it. Now, as you can see, my backup is running as we speak, and this is a Google account. And also make sure that automatic backup is set to Delhi. Now, once the backup has been completed, you have to uninstall your WhatsApp. And then once done, head over to your Play Store or App Store, type in WhatsApp, reinstall again from here, you will see install. And as soon as you reinstall WhatsApp and as soon as you open it, it will ask you to simply log in, but you're going to have to register and simply enter the same phone number that you used to have an account with, and it'll ask you to simply recover your backup. As you select recover your backup, all the chat history will be recovered as well. And as you do that, you might be able to see some of the messages. But if you deleted a message before you took a backup, that is possible as I mentioned. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.